Hi, I'm Randall Downs. I'm the Worship Arts Director here at GCU. GCU's Worship Arts program is designed to give students both theological and technical skills. So whether one hopes to serve as a worship pastor, music director, or technical director, they will be prepared spiritually, academically, and pragmatically. Our worship arts students have unique opportunities to connect with local churches who are constantly looking for students to serve in various ways. There are also many opportunities to serve in campus ministries. For instance, many of our students are on the chapel worship and technology teams, while other students serve as leaders over life groups. The opportunities to grow, learn, and serve are vast. GCU's Worship Arts program excels in community. Our students do life together. This is demonstrated through collaborative songwriting, recording, study sessions, worship gatherings, and events. Not only will students receive training for future ministry careers, they'll make friendships that last a lifetime. I'm so proud of GCU's Worship Arts program. It's exciting to see how God is using it in the lives of students and professors. We seek to glorify God by training men and women for ministry purposes. It will be fun to see how He continues to work. To learn more, visit gcu.edu.